All right, guys, welcome to today's tutorial. This is Omatech Digitals. In today's tutorials, I will be teaching you how you can run an online banking system like this. This is an online banking system. If you have be craving or you'll be willing to run an online banking system for a client of yours or for personal use, I think this tutorial is for you. So I will just navigate through the system and show you how this system works. This is an online banking system. If you have a client you want to use it for, or a customer, for the record, this video is for educational purpose only. It's for educational purpose only. If this is the first time you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to our channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release videos like this, you will be the first person to receive it. Now, this is the front end of this banking online banking system. This is the front end. The mobile responsiveness is okay. It's cool. The mobile responsiveness is okay. Now, as a client, if you want to log in, you just click on customer login. This is the login dashboard. So I'm just going to log into a dashboard. It will ask you for your account details. Then you need to put your password to log in. Once you've logged in, it will ask you for a 4-digit PIN, a PIN code. So I just use a normal PIN code, 1 2 3 4, and submit. Now, once you submit, it takes you to your dashboard. This is the dashboard. Now, you see there is a mobile transfer, there is a wire transfer. You can pay bills. There's account history. You can contact your account manager. Now, if you want to run a mobile transfer, how this system works, once you put your email address here, then you set the amount you want to transfer. Then you put your narration. Once you hit transfer, it will send you an OTP. So I'm just going to wait for the OTP to arrive on my phone, and I'm going to put the OTP on the system. Now, how the system works, once you validate the OTP, it will tell you transfer in progress. It will roll. Then once it gets to like 20% or 80 or 100%, it will send an error message. It will send an error message. It will send an error message, incorrect OTP. You understand? So this is how the mobile platform works, how this very particular mobile system works. So if you want yours to be sending the OTP and after that the transaction will go successfully, that is up to you. So, but if you check the admin backend, you will see that this transaction is there. So from admin, you can either approve the transaction, or you hold it, or you decline, or you delete the transaction. So now we move over to wire transfer. So I'm just going to do an example of wire transfer. Let me just do an example of wire transfer. And I'll select the account type, and now the routing number, and I'll put the amount I want. Then I'll select the country, then I'll put anything here. Now, this wire transfer, it has two options. The first option, it will ask you for an OTP that will be sent to your email. Then once you input the OTP, the progressive bar will start counting again. Now, it will ask you for another PIN, but that PIN can only be generated by admin. So this is how this very system works. It is only admin that can give you that PIN. So it will be sent to your mail. It is manually done. So that is where you can, ask for any money for that, or you know how you do your things. So once I click on transfer here, it will send an OTP to my email again. So I'm just going to get the OTP. I'll get the OTP. The OTP is 282135. Then I'll click on validate OTP. Now, after validating the OTP, once you get to 90 or 100 percent, it will not ask me for an order code. You can call it an opt code and whatever name you want to call the code. The system is editable, is dynamic. You can change everything. Now, it will not ask you an error occurred. Please enter your PTN/PSN ID below. Now, this very code can be generated by only admin. So as an admin, I'll go to my admin dashboard. I'll go to transaction. I'll go to wire transaction. Now, this is the transaction. I can view the transaction. This is the OTP I got. Now, this is the PTN. This is where you generate it. This is where you generate. So I'm going to generate 6. And I will update. So once you update, what you need to do, you are to mail your customer with the PTN/PCN ID PIN after they must have paid you or anything. So once you've made them, they will just come and put it here and validate. Now, once it validates, the transaction will go through. The transaction will go through. You can decide to make the transaction not go through. That is up to you. So whatever you want the system to do, it can do. You understand? So it is editable. Like I said, this system is dynamic. The system is dynamic, so you can choose to do anything you want to do. So this is your transaction. Then you can as well print it. It is printable. It is printable. So now this is how this system works. There are paid bills, etc. You can check your account history. You can check your mobile history. So if you need this system, there is an email below the description of this video. Just contact us or chat us on WhatsApp if you need this very particular script or you want us to do anything for you. So now I just explained how this online banking system works, how it works. So it is a dynamic system and it is up-to-date system. There is email, any transaction you are doing, there is email notification and the rest. So if you're interested in this very script, you can send us a message or mail us. Thank you. If you find this video helpful and interactive and educative, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we release our next video, you'll be the first person to see it.